hunter will get operated. From this hunter that will hit this roller. At the time the parallel mechanism is there. From this marble will go further. At that time this roller will reach over there. From that the marble will that marble will go and strike with that bobbin. To that bobbin the connection will get connected. That bobbin will connected to that the motor will get operated. When this motor will be operated, the parallel mechanism is again there. This flap will get back. When this flap will get back, the marble will go into that funnel. The second parallel mechanism is that through that the stopper will get removed. That hunter will get operated. Through that hunter it will go to the bucket. Through that bucket that downward blue hunter will get operated. From that it will operate that switch. Through this switch the music system will operate. Now this parallel mechanism, from this the funnel will hit this crazy ball. From this ball it will operate the roller. From this roller, this small car, this will blast the balloon. Over here again parallel mechanism. It will make a metal to metal contact. The fan will get operated first. Second parallel mechanism, that tape will get operated. From that the flag will get hoisted. From this, when the fan get operated, the ball get operated. From that ball that will hit the cassette. From that cassette to the ropeway, the bucket will get down. From that bucket that will hit the cassette. From the cassette that small ball will get operated. From that ball again the two parallel mechanism. One that will operate the spring to that magnet. Second the balling game is there. When this contact is done, the disc will rotate the motor. That will hit the bottle. That water will get into that funnel. From that seesaw is being kept there. The seesaw will get operated. That marble will hit that candle. From that candle it will get a burn, and the switch get operated over there. Over here again two parallel mechanism. One that will hit the shoulder gun, and second the focus will get onto the machine.
Call. You can start. 2.5 minutes have already passed. You can start.
फुल करून एकच
एक नंबर वासेचा तमाशा वा ब्लॅक झाला एक एक प्रत्येक बस बर का एक काहीच नाही थांब उद्या एक नंबर लाईट लागला 2 minutes to hit नाही वाढ पॅरलल मध्ये डीजे सांग ना
डीजे लागलाय ना
पॅरलल मध्ये डीजे पण लागला
हो पॅरलल सेपरेट डीजे
शेवटी
तिथे एक टेस्ट करावं लागेल
एक टच फक्त
2 हँडल one of them is free other one will be done
बस प्रत्येक आवाज कोणाचा हां तू म्हणशील ना आवाज कोणाचा हां घाबराय तू तू बोलायचं प्रत्येक तू काहीच घेऊन टाईम आहे अजून 4 मिनिटे अजून होल्ड करून ठेव ना फुगा होल्ड करून ठेव ना वरती
हात लावू
होल्ड करून ठेव ना तू